Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I'm your social studies subject teacher Miss Nadia. I'm going to teach you in class 8, but I'm going to teach you a book of a class 9 syntax book Port Jam Shuru. Let's start a new chapter number 9, Education in Pakistan. What is the meaning of education? Education is the process of facilitating learning or the acquisition of knowledge, skills, values, belief, and habits. Educational methods include teaching, training, storytelling, discussion, and directed research. Education is something which teaches you how to read and write. Importance of education for the development of a country. Education occupies a fundamental place in the development and progress of a country, and thereby the individual are enriched with the wealth of knowledge. Education is the only faculty which increase with its use. The importance of education is that definitely if you discuss about the education is something in the today's world. If you are having 98 to 100% literacy rate in your country become a developed country in the world. If it is not, definitely you will face many problems. So what kind of importance that we are having in the importance of education? Number 1, stages of revolution. It helped mankind to pass through many stages and reach to the present state of science and technology. Secret of the space. It helped mankind to conquer the force of nature on the earth and also explore a number of secrets of the space. Ideology of a nation. It helps in the understanding the ideology of a nation and suggests way of strengthening this ideology. Sense of nationhood and patriotism. Definitely if you are a well educated person and live in a developed country, you will love your country because your country fulfill the requirements, the basic requirements of your life. Right and duties of a citizen. Being a civilized and a educated person, that is, you should know what are your duties and rights as a citizen of your country or a society. Educational development, economics progress. Education help in the it helps to understand that educational development and economic progress are linked with each other. Definitely in the today's world, 21st century, if you are having a 98 to 100% literacy rate, definitely it will help to get you a better foreign exchange because you will exceed your export and it will help you to learning of foreign exchange. Utilization and exploitation. It help in the optimum utilization and exploitation of the natural resources. Definitely that education will give you a guideline where are the natural resources in beneath the earth, and it will help you to get a better education. It is the best investment in your human resource development. Definitely if you just give a better education to your people or the citizen or individual of your country, definitely you will have a possible scientific education and technology to the citizen of your country. Definitely your country become a develop and prosperous in the world. Education, Pakistan education policy. If we discuss about the Pakistan education policy after 14 August 1947, definitely Pakistan has given a different educational policies. As you can see, these are the 5 educational policies which has been introduced in Pakistan. The number 1, educational conference 1947, it is conducted by Quaid-e-Azam. Number 2, the report of a commission on the national education policy 1959, that was the era of Ayub Khan. Educational policy 1972 to 80, that was the era of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto when he introduced the private educational privatization in the educational sector, means private schools. Education policy 1978, that was, I have discussed the earlier one. 1972 and 80 was the era of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, but in 1977 the second martial law was took by Ziaul Haq. So that was the policy of Ziaul Haq in 1978 when he compulsorily he said from the secondary level to the master level, Pakistan studies and Islam is a compulsory subject for the students to give the paper of these subjects. The last policy, National Education Policy 1998 and 2010. We will discuss about this policy. National Education Policy 1998-2010 10 stress the importance of the following aspect of education within the country. Number 1, the right of education. Definitely it is a right of each individual or citizen of Pakistan to get an education, a better education. Compulsory Primary Education Act. Compulsory Primary Education Act has been promulgated into the and enforced from the year 2004 and 5. That act was introduced in 1998 and 2010, but it was enforced in the era of Musharraf. He enforced them in 2004 and 5 to give each and every child of the Pakistan the basic primary education. They should be awarded for the basic primary education. Technological and scientific knowledge. The technological and scientific knowledge will be expanded by introducing a computer education as a subject at the secondary and above the level, and the opportunity will be provided for the technical teacher. It's mean that scientific and technological education in the today's world depend on the computer literacy, so we should introduce a computer as a subject in the school and till to the master's level. Teacher training, that is a basic need to improve the education system in Pakistan. So they said teachers should given a teacher training programs in the each different level, so they should get a better techniques and they should know how to teach a child. They should know what's going on in the 21st century and they should give a better education to the students. Education foundation has been established for the providing financial assistance to the private sector or the for opening non-commercial education institutions, especially in the rural area. Education policy. Education foundation was built up by the cooperation of government sector, government education sector and the private schooling sector. With the collaboration of both, they have opened a non-commercial education institution in the rural areas, villages, so they can also give education to the poor students. District Education Authority. In each district of Pakistan, they have introduced an office of a district education authority. They have a right to look after on the private or the government sector of education, whether they are doing their work according to the rules or regulation of education or not. National budget. They have increased their national budget from 2.2% to 4% to give the better education to their students. School of Islamic Education. The policy provided for the upgradation of the quality of education in the Dini Madaris, School of Islamic Education, to bring the Dini Madaris and modern school closer to each stream in the curriculum and content of education. They want to equal the both, the private schooling, the government schooling or the Dini Madaris on a one path. So what they have done, they have also upgraded the degrees of a Dini Madaris. They have recognized the degree of Dini Madaris and they also put them on the modern stream, like with Islamic education they should get a scientific and technological education also. To promote sport and game from the grassroots at all the tiers of the education system, that was the basic thing which is done by the government of Pakistan. They have put the education system in each schooling. They have just input that schools and games should be introduced from the schools. They will get a better sportsman in the future. I hope you have understand about my lecture. If you have any query, do contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.